Let me show you how to perform first setup on a Samsung Galaxy A56 5G. So first of all, we need to power on our device, and you can do it by simply holding a power button right here. It's the shorter button on the right side of your phone. Then you should give it a few moments until it's on, and you will see a screen like this. So just click on the button right there, and then we'll be able to choose a language that we want to use throughout the setup and for our interface as well. I'm gonna go with English and then proceed. Now you can insert your SIM card in the bottom side of your phone. If you have that SIM card, then you can activate mobile network to give yourself internet connection during the setup. In this case, I'm gonna skip it. It may also ask you for the Wi-Fi connection, and you can just connect to the Wi-Fi as well, as having an internet connection during the setup is very important. So now let's move through it. Here's a review for all of the agreements and etc. I'm gonna accept all. I'm not gonna read that, just moving through. Then you can set up your device using your previous phone, so you can transfer your Galaxy or Android device to this one, or if you were the iOS iPhone user, then you can do it through the iPhone as well, or set up this Samsung as a new device, and I'm gonna go with setup manually just to do that. Here we can connect to the Wi-Fi network. As you can see, I'm already connected, and I don't want to show you the password for my network, so I'm just gonna pick that and then move to the next step. Next is to connect to the mobile network if you have that SIM card inserted. I'm gonna set it up later. I don't want to connect through the mobile network currently. Then we can copy apps and data from our Google account. I don't want to copy that, so let's move on. Next is to connect and sign in to your Google account, and I strongly recommend to do that, but for the purpose of this video, not to make it any longer, I'm gonna skip it. But all you have to do here is enter the email address for your Google account and then password. Then we can set up screen protection for our device. You can use face recognition, fingerprints, pattern, PIN, or password. I'm gonna also skip that. I don't want any password. Here's Google services that you can activate or deactivate. So review them, and then on the bottom click on accept. Now we can choose the default search engine for your device, and I'm gonna go with Google. Of course, you can pick whichever one you like. Here you can log into your Samsung account, and I also strongly recommend to log into your Samsung account, as it will give you and unlock all of the features for this device. But in this case, I'm gonna skip it, and you can simply skip it by clicking on the email address right there and then click on Forgot ID and skip Sign In. Now we need to accept all of the terms and conditions from Samsung, so I'm just gonna go with all and then click on Agree. Samsung services can also be enabled or disabled. Review them and then adjust it to your preference. Next is choose your display mode, and you can switch between the light version or dark version. Also pick whichever one you like and then move on. Then you can download recommended apps, and in this case it's gonna download the essential app. For some reason it's TikTok. I need to accept to that. I don't think we can actually disable it by any means. It will just download it, and you can then remove it later. So sorry for that. Then we're all set up, and we can see introduction and all of the new features for this phone, or just transfer to home. And that is basically our setup done. You can discover and install great apps. I'm gonna do it later. And yep, now our phone is ready. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.